One love, Rastafari. Blessings. Hey guys, now we're gonna freelance right now in Port Antonio to go to the supermarket to show you this Babylon chocolate, you know, as soon as possible, you know. But it's rain coming down now, so we have to do it quick, you know. And the rain will fall in here, you know. We're going to Port Antonio to the supermarket to buy and show you the commercial chocolate, what they put in the supermarket. But after that, when I come back home, I will show you the original way of roasting the chocolate on the fire, okay? And then make the process and show it to you. Freelance style. Yeah, we just made it from the house to Port Antonio to check out the freelance chocolate in the supermarket, but because it rains so hard, you have to just stop at one bar and having a shot of rum, you know, and just chill a little, you know. Yeah, with Pepsi? With Pepsi, rum and Pepsi, you know. It's nice, you know, in the rain, keep you warm, you know. Yeah, man. One love, Rastafari, yeah. And, up top bar, you know. Up top bar. And from inside. Yeah, man, you know.
Up top sports bar.
Up top sport bar.
Backpacking Simon and freelance Chucky.
Yeah, in St. Margaret's Bay.
St. Margaret's Bay.
Yeah, so
every time.
So when you are passing Portland, up top bar is a place for you to stop in St. Margaret's Bay, you know.
Most definitely.
And meet this beautiful girl named Lataya, you know. The bartender, you know. She's so super sweet, you know. I will never stop saying that, you know. Yes, this girl is so nice, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, but she belongs to a European man, you know, because she's so small and slim and nice, and I know the white guy, they love girl like she, you know. They don't love the fat girl, you know.
So Simon need to bring a man for her.
No, Simon himself.
Oh, alright. So Simon responds for Lataya.
Yeah.
Yes.
At this present moment.
Right.
Yeah. So,
definitely. Show them Lataya or Lataya sweet.
Alles klar, you know? Yeah, man, everything good, you know? So far, you know? It's good to stop at this bar here in St. Mary's Bay, you know? And meet nice, beautiful people, you know? And have a nice drink, you know? Some nice mango, you know? But to be honest, I don't really know the name of the mango, but they call it tough mango, you know? So even when it drop on the ground, it's still hard, you know? And still can use, you know? But some mango, when they drop on the ground, they get so soft. But this mango, like it's a special mango, you know? They call it the hard mango.
Picking some mango from a doctor. Dr. Ellis. Yes, that's Dr. Ellis.
Where are you from? Nigeria?
No, sir, I'm Jamaican.
Oh, Jamaican.
Dr. Ellis.
Port Antonio.
Port Antonio?
Yeah.
Yeah, we work private place.
Yeah. I work with another doctor, Dr. Lumley, at a private office. We call it the Wellness Center.
Oh, in Port Antonio?
Yeah.
Just reaching Port Antonio now, you know, and come off the motorbike, you know, and want to go in the supermarket. But for me, the supermarket is a little bit too crowded, you know. So we have to walk around in town a little bit and then we check out what we want. But to be real, we come to get the chocolate from the supermarket. But so much people in the supermarket, so it makes no sense to go in there and join the line, you know. People just buying bun and cheese and all these things, you know. So it seems like we have to go to a different supermarket and see if we can find a different location where the line is not so long, you know. So we're gonna move on further up in the town, in the square, and check it out and see it work, you know, and look in the market and see if we can see no chocolate too. And when we get chocolate, if they have it, we'll just buy it and then move on. Okay? One love, Rastafari, bless. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, man, everything nice. Yeah, we just come into the market in Port Antonio and booming this lady, and she have chocolate here, you know, some beautiful, nice chocolate, you know. Yes, so whenever time you come to Jamaica, you could just come to Port Antonio in the market, and then you get the chocolate. You can check out this lady, and she have some real nice, super chocolate inside the market, you know. So you can bring it home and bring nice chocolate tea with coconut milk, you know. Yeah, man, super nice, you know. Yeah, so it's a nice lady and good price too, you know. Not a bad price, you know. You can get one for 100 and upward, you know. Depends on the size of the chocolate, you know. Yeah, man, it's nice, you know. Okay, one love, Rastafari, bless. We enter in Port Antonio and we go to Petal, but there's too much crowd, you know, so we have to come to Freshco, you know, to check out and get this commercial cocoa in the supermarket now, you know. So we got to head inside Freshco and get the cocoa from the supermarket and show the people. Say, we don't use the one from the supermarket. We already use the original one, but we just want to show the people in Germany, say you still can get the commercial one from the supermarket, you know. So let's go inside and check it out and see what's going on inside over here, okay? So we go to Freshco, but these are the commercial one, you know. But tomorrow we will make the original one at home, you know. We roast it on the fire, and after roast it, we shell it and put it in the mortar and then pound it and then show the people all around the world, in Germany, everywhere in the United States, say we can do the original thing. But this one is the ready Babylon one, you know. You can just open hot water and open it and show it, and you have a coffee ready, just like that. But my freelance style at home, you have to use coconut milk, you know, and put it on the fire and boil it. And it's nice, super nice, you know. So when you come to Freelance Chucky place in Jamaica, you will get that one, you know, the original freelance style, you know. But here, you can go and get this Babylon one, you know, if you choose, you know. But we always open and leave people to choice, you know. We don't push people around and tell them what they have to do. They do what they want, you know, because we believe that life all about your choice, you know. We are not around here to push around people and tell people what to do. You do what you want and feel comfortable, no problem, you know, with Freelance Chucky, you know. One love, Rastafari, bless, highly high, in Freshco, you know, in Port Antonio, you know. So what you have to say, you work here?
Yeah, part-time, yeah.
Part-time?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, merchandiser, so which company you work for?
Sunshine Confectionery.
Yeah, look at the camera and tell.
Sell the only all them products here. We are like bad one and I take off I shelf. All of them. Cereal. Yeah.
Well, now we left Freshco supermarket and heading back home to Hope Bay Freelance Chucky place, you know, and just go back home now and chill, you know. Until tomorrow, we will show the people the original way of making chocolate in Jamaica, you know, and not the Babylon way, you know. But at the same time, we don't disrespect the Babylon way, you know, because some people like it like that to get the thing going fast, you know. So when they have the 9-to-5 job, they're not gonna have the time to make this homemade chocolate. So the system provide that one they can just come and grab and go, you know. You call it grab and go, you know. So people just come and grab and go and bring it home, and they can move fast in the morning. So we don't really have a problem with that, you know.